The Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro 40 have all been leaked, so what's actually changing? First off, let's talk about the source. These leaks come from OnLeaks, who has a stellar track record. In fact, they nailed the Pixel 9a leak back in October, and guess what? The Pixel 9a just launched exactly as predicted. So these CAD models of the Pixel 10 series are likely spot on. Now, let's dive into the details. Starting with the Pixel 10, the design language is nearly identical to the Pixel 9 flat frames, a centered punch hole camera, and the same back design with identical bezels. But here's the big upgrade, a triple lens camera module. The Pixel 9 had a dual setup 50MP main and for 8MP ultrawide, but the Pixel 10 adds a third lens, likely a periscope zoom. Think mid-range quality, like the Nothing Phone 3a Pro's 3x optical zoom. It's a smart move to differentiate from the Pixel 9a's dual cameras. Beyond the camera, the Pixel 10 keeps its 6.3-inch display but gets 0.1mm thicker, hinting at a slightly larger battery. Not a massive change, but every bit counts. And hey, if you're loving these wallpapers in our concept, they're from our app, Wallpapers. March's final pack, Skyscrapers by AK*, is stunning, and R2.0 update added trending packs, advanced search, and more. Check the links below to grab them. Now, the Pixel 10 Pro changes here are even subtler. Same 6.3-inch display, same triple camera setup, 50MP main for 8MP ultrawide and for 8MP 5x periscope. The periscope might be bigger than the Pixel 10's, but specs are expected to stay the same. The Pro also gets 0.1mm thicker, likely for a battery bump. One gripe, the glossy sides. They look premium but attract fingerprints like crazy. Give me matte any day. The Pixel 10 Pro XL, even fewer changes. Same cameras, same 6.8-inch screen, and no extra thickness, just 0.1mm taller. Underwhelming, maybe, but the real upgrades aren't in the design. Enter the Tensor G5 chip. This is Google's first fully custom silicon, ditching Samsung for TSMC like Apple. Expect massive performance leaps over the Tensor G4, which lagged behind rivals. It won't beat the A18 Pro or Snapdragon 8 Elite, but it'll close the gap. The Tensor G5 isn't the only upgrade. Google's also rolling out a custom ISP image signal processor for the first time since the Pixel 4. While camera hardware isn't changing on the Pro models, the new ISP could mean better processing, sharper photos, and smarter AI enhancements. Plus, Google's ditching Samsung's modem for MediaTek faster 5G, less heat, and better battery life. Qualcomm's X75 was considered, but MediaTek probably won on cost. Software boosts are coming too. Android 16's performance mode slashes boot times by 30%, and a new AI feature, Pixel Sense will learn your habits to deliver smart notifications. Think Samsung's now brief but Google-fied. These might be Android 16 features, but Pixel 10 owners will get them first. So what's the verdict? The Pixel 10 series is more about under-the-hood upgrades than flashy design changes. The star? The base Pixel 10 at $800, it's poised to compete hard with the iPhone 16 better AI, a triple lens camera, and finally, competitive performance. The Pro's solid refinements, but the XL feels like a missed opportunity. If you're a Pixel fan, the Tensor G5 and custom ISP are reason enough to upgrade. If you're on the fence, the Pixel 10's value might sway you. And what do you think? Is the Pixel 10 series a win or a wait? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more tech insights. Cheers!